everyone, I'm Marvic Aison, and this video I explain different number system and show you how to convert between them step by step. Una, binary to decimal, binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. Binary to decimal. Binary uses only 0 and 1. Each digit represents a power of 2. Multiply each binary digit by the corresponding power of 2. Then add them. Example. Yung binary natin is 1, 0, 1, 1. Ano madali natin ganito. So tayo ng arrow. Arrow. Tapos 2 to 0 square root, 2 to 1 square root, 2 to the second square root, 2 to the third square root. Ganyan. Then multiply 1 times 2 to the third square root is 8. Paano nakuha yung 8? Kasi 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, kaya nakuha yung 8. Then addition 0 times 2 to the second square root, 0 plus 1 times 2 to the first root equals 2 plus 1 times 2 to the zero square root is 1. Ganyan. Sa addition mo, adin mo siya 8 plus 0 plus 2, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11. Ganyan. Ayan siya nakuha na ganun. Example tayo ng ibang numbers na binary. Tulad lamang ng 0, 1, 0, 1. Ganyan. Tularan ulit natin para madali. Ganyan. 2 to the 0 square root, to the 1 square root, to the second square root, to the third square root. Then multiply 0 2 and 1 times 2 to 4 and plus 0 1 times 2 1. Then addition, may addition na 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 equals 5. Yan yung decimal numbers niya. Ganyan lang. Binary to decimal. Dito naman tayo sa decimal to binary. Decimal is our everyday base 10 systems. Digit 0 to 9. Binary is base 2. We divide by 2 until 0, keeping reminders, reading them backward gives binary. Magsasamples tayo ng i-convert natin yung 25 to binary. 25 divided by 2 equals 12. Ang reminders niyan, paghahatian to ng dalawang tao is 1. And then copy mo to 12 dito sa baba. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Reminders niyan 0. Bakit 0 ang reminders? Paghahatian kasi ito ng dalawang tao, walang matitira. Ito, copy mo ulit to dito. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Ang reminders yan, 0 ulit. Kasi, paghatian to, walang matitira. Tapos, copy mo ulit to dito sa baba. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. Reminders niyan is 1. Kasi paghatian to, may isang natitira. O, copy mo ulit itong 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. Ang reminders niyan, automatic 1. Bakit ka tumigil? Titigil ka na dito kasi 0 na, wala ka nang i-divide. Paano naman kukunin yan? Mga reminders. Ang pagkuha ng reminders, isimulan mo dito sa baba. Kaya nga nang sinabi, reading them backwards gives the binary. Ito ng mga binaries niyan, mga reminders. Ito, simulan mo diyan. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Tapos, ang binary niyan is 2. Ayan siya. Kuha. Dito naman tayo sa decimal to octal. Octal is base 8. Digits 0 to 7 often used in computing. Divide by 8 rapidly, collect reminders backwards. Magawa tayo ng examples niya. Convert natin yung 83. 83 divided by 8 equals 10. Ang reminders niyan, kung ito hatiin ng 8, may matitilang 3 is 3. Then ito naman, copy mo dito sa baba. 10 divided by 8 equals 1. Reminders niyan, kung ito naman paghatian ng 8, ay may matitira pa 2. Then copy mo ulit ito dito sa baba. 1 divided by 8 equals 0. Totally 0 na to, kaya wala nang itutuloy, wala nang i-divide. Ang reminders niyan is 1, automatic 1. Ganyan siya. Para makuha mo yung octal niya or yung niya, yung octal is ito. I-collect mo siya pataas. Itong mga reminders, i-collect mo siya pataas. 1, 2, 3. Then, base 8. Yung octal. Ayan na siya. Ganyan lang kadali. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal is base 16, digit 0 to 9, then A to F. Like A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, etc. Divide by 16 rapidly, convert reminders above 9 to letters A to F. Like samples 255. 255 divided by 16 equals 15. Reminders is 15. Ito yung ngayon, kukunin natin yung quotient niya. Quotient. Then reminders. Reminder. Ayan siya. Asan yung quotient niya? Ito. 15. Then yung reminders is 15. Pangalawa naman na gagawin natin, i-convert natin yung number to hexadecimal letters. Convert natin yung numbers to hexadecimal letters. Ito 15 in hexadecimal, ganyan na lang, equals SF. And then yung quotient naman is F. Quotient equal F. Ganyan siya. Ito na siya. Tapos yung reminders is equal F. Ganyan. Ito yung reminders. Ayun na siya. Kaya i-combine mo siya. Combine. Ganyan na lang. Combine. Ito. Pag-combinein mo silang dalawa. Yan na siya, oh. F. Ganyan siya. Then, lagay mo yung hexadecimal base 16. Yan. Ayan yung sagot niya. Ito na yun. Hexadecimal. Yan yung labas niya. Pero gagawa naman tayo ng hexadecimal to binary. Each hexadecimal digit corresponds to exactly 4 binary bits. Replace each hexadecimal digit with its 4 bits binary equivalent. Examples, convert natin yung 2F to binary. Ganyan siya. Convert natin to binary. 2 equals 0, 0, 1, 0. Then F equals 1, 1, 1, 1. Tapos ito, i-combine mo silang dalawa. Combine. Combine mo. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ganyan. Or pwede naman yung 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 without leading zeros. Like that. Pwede ganyan. Isulat natin. Without leading zeros. Ganyan siya. In this video, we'll learn about what binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal system are and how to convert between them. I hope this helps you understand number systems better.